Hi, my name is David Salamanyan, and I'm a financial services advisor with New York Life Insurance Company and Life Securities as their broker-dealer. The main problems before I hired the firm was I was going from CPA to CPA, and the reason is, as I started my practice in the financial services industry, I was growing and my business was growing with it. And what I saw as I was transitioning is that the CPAs that I had, which was about 6 previous ones, couldn't handle the type of work and questions and, you can say, effective tax techniques that I could find here. So I was really seeing that there wasn't enough expertise to be able to help me in an evolving workplace. I would have to say what surprises me the most year in, year out that I've been coming to RJA is that every single year there's never the same situation with my taxes, and every single year that I do come in, the team is always trying to work as hard as they possibly can. I never feel that, in a way that I'm stale or, oh, I'm just a returning client, we're gonna do the same thing every single time and just move on and you pay X amount and call it a day, or you do this with your taxes and you call it a day. Every single year I come, they try to figure out more innovative ways to make sure that I'm happy as a client, that all my needs are taken care of, and then they are adding value to my current financial situation and helping myself and my family move forward in this tumultuous tax times, as I call it. There are a lot of things I like about the firm, but if I had to pick one and hang my hat on it, it would be the response time I get from them. And I'm actually the same way, and that's why I think I always have my clients calling me back. Whenever I need something, whether it's day or night, even if it's after hours, if I send an email or a phone call, not more than an hour goes without, getting an answer back. And that's so important for me because, there's a lot of moving parts and a lot of things, coming at you day-to-day basis as a financial services advisor, and I believe that quick response time is one of the most key things to being a successful, business. I already actually do refer clients and family members to RJA because I'm a big fan of their business. However, for those that do come through my doors and ask for a CPA that they can trust and is always responsive, always there for them, and can figure out and always be evolving with the current tax law and tax changes that are in the current environment, I would say this is the place to be. This is the RJA is the firm you want to stick with for the rest of your life. You're not going to have to look elsewhere. And I always give them the option to, say, hey, I want to just interview them. And almost 100% of the time they come back and say, you know what, this is the firm for me. The reason I would recommend RJA is because I fully trust the firm and they make me feel very comfortable day in and day out that I've been in contact with them for the last decade. And I wouldn't go anywhere else because of the comfort and the trust level. I highly recommend Rivera Jamjiam and Associates as your CPA firm.